Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel Ida Nur Naina. Pernahkah kalian tahu atau dengar tentang cerita Snow White putih salju? Atau kalian pernah dengar cerita tentang Cinderella? Ceritanya sangat bagus dan akhir ceritanya pun sangat luar biasa. Nah, pada cerita Cinderella putih salju itu ternyata kita sama saja belajar tentang naratif teks, atau kita mengulang kembali cerita yang sudah lampau, tapi kita ulang lagi ceritanya di sekarang. Nah, itu disebut dengan belajar tentang naratif teks atau storytelling. Nah, seperti apa belajar tentang storytelling atau naratif teks, dan bagaimana bentuk dari verb atau kata kerja, apakah menggunakan verb 1 atau menggunakan verb kedua. Di pembahasan kali ini kita akan bahas semuanya tentang naratif teks atau storytelling. Definition of narrative text is narrative text tell a story about something in the past, mainly used to entertain, motivate, or teach. Language feature of narrative text. Bahasa yang digunakan dalam narrative text is past tense atau verb kedua. Dalam bahasa narrative text kita menggunakan bahasa verb kedua atau bahasa past tense. Contoh: worked, stayed, shade, walked, and etc. Generic structure of narrative texts are: first, using orientation, and then complication, and 3, event, and last, reorientation. Explain of generic structure. First, orientation. Orientation is introduction or introduce about the theme, include of what, where, when, whom, who. Complication. Complication is a problem in that story, and then a lot of problem we can improve in this complication. And the third, sequence of event. It means that a lot of event in this story, and then we want to explain about that. And then for example, first, description of communication, and then a second, how to dissolve of that communication, and etc. And all about event we want to explain in this sequence of event. And then the last of generic structure is reorientation. Reorientation is a climax of the problem. Climax of that story. Example, Cinderella. Once upon a time, there was a little girl, her name Cinderella. Cinderella lived with stepmother and stepsister. She worked, washed clothes, cleaned the house, cooked, and many more. Cinderella felt sadness. She once met her father, but her father was dead. She cried lonely and she went to the forest. At the forest, she met a prince. Tomorrow morning, the peasant gave announcement. The king will make a dance party. All the person went to the party, but Cinderella didn't want to party because had not beautiful clothes. Suddenly, the fairy come help her, and Cinderella changed the beautiful woman in this party. Cinderella looked a beautiful woman. She came to the party. All the person looked at her, and the prince asked for her. Do you want to dance with me? Cinderella danced with the prince up to 12. Cinderella ran away, went to home, and left the shoes. Someday the prince looked at her that people had shoes, or if all the person tried to wear that shoes, or if the Cinderella was made the shoes, and the Cinderella married with the prince. Bagaimana pembelajaran kita hari ini? Sangat menyenangkan bukan? Nah, ini adalah materi kita hari ini, naratif teks. Saya yakin kalian penasaran, pengen cepat-cepat membuat storytelling sendiri di rumah. Nah, ayo kita belajar bersama membuat storytelling sendiri, dan pastinya sangatlah mudah sekali. Bahasa yang kita gunakan, bahasa yang sering kita lakukan sehari-hari. Thank you all. Terima kasih banyak sudah menonton channel saya, sudah menonton YouTube saya, sudah subscribe YouTube saya. Thank you. Terima kasih banyak. Bagi yang belum subscribe, silahkan klik subscribe, bunyikan tombol lonceng, dan jangan lupa komen yang positif karena saya juga masih tahap belajar. Thank you all. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.